Jai Sriman Those bullocks could not pull those plough any more and got fainted. That has been seen by Kamadhenu. Kamadhenu started crying to see that her children getting so much troubled by people. Then she started crying. When she is crying, her tears started rolling down. Exactly at that time, Devendra was traveling just right under that Kamadhenu. So those tears drops fell on Devendra. Immediately Devendra has seen that those tears were giving so much great fragrance. Devendra realized these tears none other than our Kamadhenu. Why Kamadhenu is crying? Then immediately Devendra has seen up, looked up. Kamadhenu is there. Devendra went there and inquired, why Kamadhenu, why are you worrying? Why are you crying? What happened? Then Kamadhenu says, Oh Indra, there is no trouble to my and trouble to my santanam, my children, by any of your devatas. But look at my two children, two bullocks. They were tortured by a farmer. They did not have any food. So they got so much tired and they completely got fainted. Then after seeing that, I started moving to tears. Oh Indra, all these cows, bullocks on this entire earth is my children. No matter how many our children that I have, even if one child is going through some tough time and troublesome period, I cannot take it. That is why I am crying. Like that when Kamadhenu told Devendra, that is what now the entire story is being told by Bharata to his mother Kaikeyi, and saying that, Oh Kaikeyi, no matter how many our children Kamadhenu has, but by just seeing two of her children going through some tough time, she started moving to tears. Kamadhenu started crying a lot. Now look at Kausalya Mata. She has only one son. That son is sent to the forest by you. How much troublesome time she is going through now. How much she must be suffering to see her own son is living in the dense forest. This is what is the huge sin that you have committed. O Kaikeyi, for the sin that you have committed, you will be crying as long as you are in this body on this earth, and also after you depart from this body, whichever the lokam that you are going to go, you will definitely cry there also. To that extent, you have troubled Kausalya Mata. Like this, Bharata is scolding Kaikeyi. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, हे सीताराम। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.